It's coming.
Look! Oh
wow.
my goodness, coconut ice cream.
Can you share with me? Can you share
Will you
me
share
some?
with Pooh?
Yes.
Yeah,
Akun.
wow.
This is. Do you learn something in Buddhism?
Yeah, absolutely. So, like we were talking before about karma,
Yeah.
building good karma is by being generous. I think that's a really important lesson.
Yes.
Trying to be kind and being
Yeah.
generous. And I think that's something that I really want to raise her to be like is learning to be generous to others and being kind to others.
Yeah.
I think that's really, really important. Very important life lesson. And I think it's about empathy as well towards other people. It's an important life skill that's very ingrained in Cambodian culture, which is very good.
Wanna share ice cream? Wanna share ice cream?
You to share with Nan?
Wanna share with me? Oh, thank you.
Oh, good
wow.
job.
Thank you. Oh wow.
That's wonderful sharing. See, now everybody feels happy.
Akun.
We share with everyone.
How can we say Akun? Freya, can you count?
Moi,
Pram.
pram, pramoi,
Yes.
Có
Oh, yeah. Prambai and
hi,
Prambon and last one.
dog.
Yay!
How many is dog?
How many dog?
I don't know.
Is it 10?
10.
10 dog.
10 dog.
Yeah.
Can you
10 dog.
can you count again?
10 dog.
10 dots. You say,
the last time we worked together, Freya is in your
in my stomach. How do you say? Padai,
Tepua.
padai pua.
Your popo. Yeah, popo.
Pramoi kai.
Yeah.
Nyam tau Australia.
Yeah.
In COVID.
And she
Yeah.
was born there, right?
Yeah, born in Melbourne, Australia. And this is first time back in Cambodia.
I saw the picture you brought her to the Buddha. To see
Yes.
the Buddha over there.
Yeah. So we have some pagodas in Australia, not as many as Cambodia, but we tried to keep her connected with some Khmer culture as well, as best as we could, until we could come back. Yeah.
Wow. Ice cream. Yes.
Ice cream?
So why do you want her to learn like some Khmer culture? Or?
So because Freya she's a Cambodian Australian child, I think it's really, really important for Freya to learn Khmer culture.
Yeah.
But also I think there's a lot of good things in Khmer culture that a lot of Western cultures can learn too.
Okay.
I think it's really important.
Which one?
Ice cream is coming.
Being kind, being generous, trying to be calm and respectful, I think is a really important part of culture
life,
here and life. Yeah. I think there's some very important things that she can learn from her Cambodian side. Definitely.
My ice cream.
Oh, it's coming.
So how do you say the saying again?
Yes, like twirl all.
Tver la'o ban la'o.
And one more first.
Tver
Akrot.
akrot ban akrot.
So can you say the word twirl all in English? Like
Tver la'o ban
Twirl.
la'o is you do good, you get good. And you get what you give. Another similar saying in English would be you reap what you sow, which
Yeah.
is like you get what you plant, basically.
Yeah.
So it's you plant good things, you'll get good things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you plant a mango tree, you will get mango.
Yes. If you yeah.
Are you sleeping?
Oh.
Ha ha ha.
You say "Au kam lang."
Oh, come along.
You say "Au kam lang."
What's that?
That means I'm tired. Knyam au kam lang.
Oh, come blinky.
You will get kamlang when you get ice cream. You will get more.
You will.
Come on.
Come on.
And do you want to say Akon to Punan for taking you to the pagoda? You say Akon Charan.
Akun.
Kunjalan.
Akun Charan. How can you do like this? Akun. Oh no.
Down here.
Kunjalan.
Akun Charan.
Akon Charan.
Akun again. Akun.
Say Akon Charan.
Kunjalan.
Akun Charan. Very nice. Good job. I will
Good
give you ice
job.
cream.
Yay.
You want one ice cream or two ice cream? two.
ញ៉ាំពីរ
Yummy. Two.
ពីរ
Oh, ice cream's coming.
Look! Oh
wow.
my goodness, coconut ice cream.
Can you share with me? Can you share
Will you
me
share
some?
with Pooh?
Yes.
Yeah,
Akun.
wow.
This is your ice cream. Which one you want to choose it?
Which one? Yum, look at that.
You asked me about like the Buddha. Do you learn something in Buddhism?
Yeah, absolutely. So, like we were talking before about karma,
Yeah.
you know, building good karma is by being generous to
Yeah.
others and you know, trying to give and being selfless when you can. I think that's a really important lesson.
Yeah, I'm very interested. Like you said to Freya about like sharing.
Yes.
Yes.
Trying to be kind and being
Yeah.
generous. And I think that's something that I really want to raise her to be like is
Yeah.
learning to be generous to others and being kind to others.
Yeah.
I think that's really, really important. Very important life lesson. And I think it's about empathy as well towards other people. It's an important life skill that's very ingrained in Cambodian culture, which is
Yeah.
very good.
Want to share ice cream? Want to share ice cream?
You to share with Nan?
Want to share with me? Oh, thank you.
Oh, good
wow.
job.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
That's wonderful sharing. See, now everybody feels happy.
Akun.
We share with everyone.
How can you say Akun? Do you remember the word we say already?
Tve lao ban lao.
Yeah.
Hai
Tve.
tve akro ban akro. Tve lao ban lao. Tve akro ban akro.
Yes. Great.
Okun lukru. English. Do good and you will get good. And you do bad, you will get bad.
Get bad. This is
You will reap what you sow.
soil one.
Yeah.
This is,
Or you get what you give.
you will get what you give.
Yeah. So you give good, you'll get good. You give
Give
bad,
bad, you will
you'll
get
get bad.
This is the Buddha. There are many Buddhas in the past, but all the Buddha teach only three things. The first thing, not to do all kind of bad things, and the second one, not do bad, we do good,
Yes.
and the third one, make your mind clean.
Yes.
And all his teaching including the three.
Yeah.
And yeah,
I think it's such an important way to like. There's a lot in there.
in our life we do only three things actually. If we do not do good, we do bad. So not to do all bad, it means you do good. This is
Yeah.
the opposite way.
Yeah.
And the last one, purify your mind. This is the last, teachings of the Buddha. He teach only that. All Buddhism, like, even though we are living in different countries, like Thai, Laos, or Cambodia, but all teachings of the Buddha include into only three. Not to do all kind of bad deed, to do good deed, and purify our mind. That's it. Oh,
Bliss.
because of ice cream. And then the famous phrase is like you say, "Thua lo ban lo, thua kro ban kro."
I like that. I like that phrase. It's very
And
good.
this is the we can, it in practical way, we can, this is true, the nature of our life. If I give you a smile, I will get smile back, not cry.
Yes. It's true. Even in people's attitudes in day-to-day life, you put just a good attitude out there and it affects other people. And